Welcome back. Ginger sauce, you heard me, and ginger paste. Yes, you're going to get two for one. Very easy to make. The ginger sauce you can use for your sushi. You can use a little bit of that for salads. You can use it as a dressing. It's very delicious. Well, the paste, which is a byproduct of the sauce that created both at the same time, you can use it also for salad. You can combine it with your sauce. And that paste you can also use for meats. You put on top of the meat. And especially when you're dealing with exotic meats and maybe some red meat. You might even be able to use it for some seafood if you want to. But it's fantastic. Easy to make. The ginger one, the sauce tastes awesome, almost like restaurant style. So, gonna wear. Let's create. 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce, about 2 cups of white vinegar, about about a teaspoon of sugar, 1/5 of an onion, you're going to chop it, 1 garlic clove, you're going to mince it, half a lemon, you're going to squeeze it, and about 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, if you were to mince it. So when you mince the ginger, what it does is, and in my case I peel it. You don't have to, but I peel it first. What it does is the good stuff is going to be under, and you wipe it out and put it in a container. And many times the stuff like this that stay on the top is the hair stuff. You know, that hairy stuff that you see here. And that's the advantage of mincing this. I mean, you're going to have some little hair, but most of it, that what I call hair, is going to get stuck on the top, and it kind of makes things cleaner. So let me start with the onion. I have about 1/5, maybe 1/4 of an onion. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of the soy sauce. I might need more, I don't know yet. Let me put a couple of caps of the white vinegar. Let me squeeze half a lemon. Make sure you have the seeds out before you do that, by the way. Blend it for a little bit. Add your garlic. Add some ginger. Quick blend. Add a little bit of sugar. Blend. Give it a quick taste. Let me add a little bit more soy sauce. It's almost there. So it went from 1/3 to perhaps close to a half. Yep. So I'm going to strain it a little bit. So there are two ways of looking at this. You have the liquid sauce, and then you have this little paste here. Don't throw the paste away because you can use it too. In fact, I'm going to use it. So you have both. So you can add some sesame seeds to the sauce. I'm going to do something slightly different. I'm going to add some cumin seeds. Add them there. Move it around a little bit. And now you have slightly different flavor. The paste you're going to leave alone. You can use it for meat and stuff like that. And this one for salad. Very simple.